In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default payment method on Etsy. By the end, you'll know how to update saved cards in your account and choose the payment option you want at checkout, so it's used for future purchases. Start by opening a web browser and searching for Etsy. Click the official Etsy result to go to the site, then sign in to your buyer account. Make sure you're using the correct email for the account where you want to update payments. Once you're in, head to Your Account. From there, go to Account Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Credit Cards. This is where your saved cards appear. Next to the card you want to change, you'll see options to edit or remove. Edit is helpful if you just need to update details like an expiration date. Remove is best if you want to replace the card entirely. Confirm any prompts you see so the change is saved. Etsy also lets you add a new card during checkout, which is often the fastest way to make your new card the one Etsy suggests next time. To do that, return to the main Etsy page. Pick an item you'd like to purchase, open the listing, and click Buy Now. When you reach the checkout screen, look for the Payment section. Here, choose Add a Card, or select another payment option like PayPal or Google Pay if those are available in your region. If you're adding a new card, carefully enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing address. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. If you prefer PayPal or Google Pay, select that option and follow the prompts to sign in and authorize the payment there. Proceed with your purchase to save the new card to your Etsy account. Completing the checkout ensures the payment method is stored and will be suggested the next time you buy. If you removed an old card earlier, this step also sets your new method as the one Etsy will recognize going forward. A couple of quick tips. Double-check the padlock icon in your browser's address bar to confirm you're on a secure page before entering any payment details. If you don't see the credit cards section or an option you expect, try updating your browser or switching from the mobile app to a desktop browser for the full set of settings. And that's it. You opened Etsy, managed your saved cards, and chose the payment method you want at checkout, so it's ready for future orders.